Hello everybody, I hope you guys are good. Let's get started with this video now. Intracerebral hemorrhage discovered on a brain autopsy, and you're gonna notice yellow looking blood clogged inside the ventricles of the brain. As humans, whales breathe through their nostrils too, and it's called blowhole. And what you rate these cars?
Stop. Motherfucker.
These male strata lizards are easily recognized by their brightly colored throat fans, and they serve couple of purposes: to threaten impossible rivals and to impress ladies, of course. I seriously feel we are disturbing nature too much, as you can see in this video. I hope you haven't forgot about this kid yet.
What did you think about the ride?
It was great. And apparently, I've never been on live television before, but apparently sometimes I don't watch I don't watch the news because I'm a kid, and apparently every time, Grandpa just gives me a remote after we watch the Powerball.
It's the Powerball.
Tell me about the ride. What did you think about the ride?
Well, it was great.
Why?
Because apparently you're spinning around, and apparently every time you get dizzy,
Yeah.
that's all you do is get dizzy.
Fun?
Yeah. And I've never ever been on live television. I never ever be on live
Are
television.
you excited?
Yeah, and apparently I only went down the super slide. When I went down the one, I was scared half to death. I just freak out.
What I need
You can only swallow 2 to 3 times before your body forces you to stop. Go on, try it. Let me know how many times you can do it. You can only...
And it's time for today's fun fact. Did you guys know that how COVID-19 vaccine could further damage deep sea sharks? Yes, shark liver oil can make vaccine more effective, but increased demand could harm critically endangered species like scalped hammerhead shark, which is particularly relies on its special oil comes from liver to survive the crushing pressure of the deep. As the world pharmaceutical companies scramble to create a vaccine for COVID-19, at least 5 of 202 company candidates rely on these products comes from wild-caught sharks. The good thing is the Pfizer and Moderna coronavirus vaccine, which have both demonstrated early success, do not need these substances. So did you guys know that before? Once again, it's the animals which have to make sacrifice for the humans. It is sad, but it's true. Alright, thank you so much guys, and see you in the next video. Take care. God bless you.